After giving Yaariyan in 2014, Divya Khosla Kumar is all set to release her next musical romantic film Sanam Re on February 12, 2016. Produced by T-Series, the lead pair of Pulkit Samrat and Yami Gautam along with Urvashi Rautela are sure to grab eyeballs for this soulful love story that releases on Weekend of Love. Divya had earlier wanted to release the film at the end of this year. However, since she has the young pair of Yami Gautam and Pulkit Samrat in her film Sanam Re, which is quintessentially a love story, she has decided to release it during the Valentine week in 2016.